In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel TurboTax Deluxe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can stop future charges with confidence. Start by signing into your TurboTax account in a web browser. Once you're in, look for the Intuit account menu at the top right of the screen. This is usually your profile photo or your initials inside a small circle. Click that to open your account options. If you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that. Intuit sometimes asks for an extra confirmation for security. Quick tip: make sure you're in the right account, especially if you've ever used more than one email with Intuit. The subscription is tied to the specific login you used to buy it. From the account menu, select Manage Subscription. That will take you to the Intuit Account Manager where your subscription settings and billing details live. Give the page a moment to load, and if you're asked to verify information, follow the on-screen prompts. Here, you'll see controls related to your paid TurboTax products, including renewal dates and payment method. If the Manage Subscription option doesn't appear, try refreshing or sign out and back in. Often that's just a session glitch. Next, head to the Products and Billing section. This is where you'll find your active TurboTax plan. Look for TurboTax Deluxe or any premium version you've purchased and choose the option to cancel or turn off auto renew. Wording can vary, but the idea is the same. You're stopping future renewals. Confirm your choice when prompted. After you confirm, you should see a message that your subscription has been canceled or that auto renew is off. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email and consider taking a quick screenshot for your records. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Canceling a subscription stops future billing. It doesn't remove accesses you've already paid for, and it doesn't delete any tax data or returns. If you don't see a deluxe subscription listed in Products and Billing, you may have used a one-time filing fee rather than a subscription, in which case there's nothing to cancel. Also, check the renewal date shown on the page to be sure you won't be charged again, and verify the status shows as canceled or auto renew off. That's it. Click your Intuit account menu, open Manage Subscription, and in Products and Billing, cancel TurboTax Deluxe. Follow those screens, confirm the change, assume change, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap things up smoothly.